Welcome to Invest Avenue, where we explore valuable insights from successful entrepreneurs and industry leaders. In this segment, we delve into the wisdom of one of the most innovative minds of our time, Elon Musk. As the co-founder of multiple groundbreaking companies, including Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk has proven himself as a visionary entrepreneur. Join us as we uncover his advice on achieving success in business and the key principles he believes are essential for aspiring entrepreneurs.
I think the first is, depending upon how well you want to do, and particularly if you're starting a company, you need to work super hard. So what does super hard mean? Well, when my brother and I were starting our first company, instead of getting an apartment, we just rented a small office and we slept on the couch. And we showered at the YMCA, and we had just one computer. So the website was up during the day, and I was coding at night. 7 days a week, all the time. Work hard like every waking hour. That's the thing I would say particularly if you're starting a company. And I mean, if you do simple math, say like, okay, if somebody else is working 50 hours and you're working 100, you'll get twice as much done in the course of a year as the other company.
Working super hard and putting in long hours when starting a company. Additionally, he stresses the significance of creating a product or service that is significantly better than the competition, especially in established markets with entrenched competitors.
The other thing I'd say is that if you're creating a company or if you're joining a company, the most important thing is to attract great people. So either join a group that's amazing, that you really respect, or if you're building a company, you've got to gather great people. I mean, all a company is a group of people that have gathered together to create a product or service. And so depending upon how talented and hardworking that group is, and the degree to which they are focused cohesively in a good direction, that will determine the success of the company. So do everything you can to gather great people if you're creating a company. Then I'd say focus on signal over noise. A lot of companies get confused. They spend money on things that don't actually make the product better. So, for example, at Tesla, we've never spent any money on advertising. We put all of the money into R&D and manufacturing and design to try to make the car as good as possible. And I think that's the way to go. So for any given company, just keep thinking about, are these efforts that people are expending, are they resulting in a better product or service? And if they're not, stop those efforts. And then I think that the final thing I would encourage you to do is, now is the time to take risk. You don't have, you don't have kids, but as you get older, your obligations increase. And once you have a family, you start taking risks not just for yourself, but for your family as well. It gets much harder to do things that might not work out. So now is the time to do that before you have those obligations. So I would encourage you to take risks now. Do something bold. You won't regret it.
Elon Musk's insights provide valuable guidance for aspiring entrepreneurs on their journey to success. By embracing hard work, delivering exceptional products, building a talented team, focusing on what truly matters, and fearlessly taking risks, individuals can set themselves on a path to making a significant impact in the business world. Remember, the road to success may not be easy, but with determination and dedication, you too can pave the way for a remarkable future in the world of business and innovation. Thank you for joining us on Invest Avenue, where we bring you inspiration from the brightest minds in entrepreneurship.